Today we are learning about baking in English. We are going to make Christmas cookies, which is a family tradition. And we have little elves to help us. And of course, Mama Julie. So what recipe are we using?
We are using the cut out sugar cookie recipe that came from my mother-in-law.
What's the first step?
We need to first gather our ingredients.
Flour, sugar to make it sweet, baking soda, almond extract, butter. Are you ready to get started?
Yeah!
Combine is to put the ingredients together. All right, let's add the sugar.
No, we have to measure it.
Measure it?
Measuring cup and measuring spoon to get the amount.
The recipe calls for 1/1/2 of sugar.
You say 1.5. They are fractions. Like 1/2, 1/3, 2/3, and 3/4.
Wow, you are one smart cookie.
You need a teaspoon of almond extract.
Whoa, what's a teaspoon?
A teaspoon is to measure small quantities. A tablespoon is bigger.
But the recipe says 1 TSP of almond extract.
That's an abbreviation.
An abbreviation?
An abbreviation is when you just have some of the letters of a word.
Learning English is fun. Please subscribe to this channel. And hit the bell button so you know when new videos come out. Let's get back to baking.
Now we need to mix the ingredients,
What do we mix them with?
either with a whisk or a mixer.
The recipe says to cream together, so you really need to mix them. Let's do the mixer.
Now what?
The recipe says to add to this mixture
3.5 cups of flour, a half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
and 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar.
I've heard of flour and salt, but what is cream of tartar and baking soda?
These are powders used in baking. They work together with other ingredients to make the cookies rise.
Auntie Erica, I thought you were the teacher. We're teaching you a lot.
Well, I'm an English expert, but not an expert baker. Wow, look at that cookie dough. It looks good enough to eat.
Want to try some?
We can eat raw dough?
Just a little one, huh? Just a little one, huh? The dough is so good, I can't stop eating it. Don't eat it all, or else we can't make cookies.
I guess it's like they say, you can't have your cake and eat it too.
And now we need to chill the dough in the refrigerator for 3 hours.
3 hours? Can't we just put it outside so it will chill faster?
It's too cold outside. It would just be a frozen rock.
We need the dough to be soft.
Okay, let's put it in the refrigerator.
The cookie dough's chilled. The cookie cookie dough's ready.
Now what?
We need to preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit.
Preheat?
That's to warm up the oven. Then we have to flour the cutting board. That's me.
To flour means to sprinkle flour over the cutting board so the cookie dough doesn't stick to it.
Now we take the rolling pin to roll out the dough.
We need to also flour the rolling pin.
Is it time for cookie cutters?
Yeah! Choose your shape and we'll cut out the cookie.
Did you know that cookie cutter is an idiom? It means when something is not unique. For example, those cookie cutter houses all look the same.
Am I a cookie cutter kid?
No, you are totally unique.
I know.
What do we do with the cutout cookies?
We place them on a cookie sheet, which is a flat oven pan.
Now we bake them from 6 to 8 minutes.
Oh wow, these look great!
Oh no, the snowman's hat fell off.
I guess that's just the way the cookie crumbles. Since he's broken, I'll just eat him.
Auntie Erica!
Oh, it's hot!
He's still too hot to eat. We had to put the cookies on the cooling rack.
Oh, the cooling rack? Good idea.
They're all baked, but they're missing some color, right? We still need to frost them.
Oh, you mean put frosting on them?
Yeah. Yeah, let's whip up some frosting.
Heat up a tablespoon of butter. Add a splash of milk.
And a splash of almond extract. A splash?
That doesn't seem like a real measurement.
It's not.
Splash.
And some food coloring.
And then powdered sugar.
Then mix until it's thick, but not too thick. But Grandpa has yellow there.
Now we have yellow, red, green, and blue frosting.
And sprinkles. Now it's time to decorate.
Thanks, my little elves, for teaching us about baking in English. We'll leave the recipe in the description in case you want to try it yourself.
Is it easy? I'm not going to sugarcoat it. These cookies are a lot of work.
Totally worth it. Totally worth it.
Good job, man.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye. Thanks for watching.